So very good morning to all of you. We will see in the lecture, this lecture I think to lecture number 21 of the management. So we are posing to the end of the unit number 3, that is the principle and directing of controlling for implementing the plan. Generally the principle and directing and controlling part at the supervisory level. This is the unit title. The unit outcome is to describe the managerial control action and remedial measures required for the manager. So in last class we have seen the elaborating the decision. What is the necessity need the elaborating the decision you have seen in yesterday class. And also what is the need of personal counseling. Before that you have seen and different gestures and postures and different types of communications. In this unit in the directing at the supervisory level we have seen elements and characteristics of directing, importance of directing, etc. Now today we will see about the controlling at the supervisory level. So this one is your unit outcome to describe the managerial control action and remedial measure required. So managerial control is a significant process in management. Managerial control is the significant process in management, and controlling is a forward-looking and a backward-looking function. Forward-looking and a backward-looking function. Why it is? Because forward we are given the plan, we are providing the plan, and backward means we are taking the feedback. So this is nothing but the controlling is a both forward-looking and a backward-looking function. Controlling is the process that ensure the performance is according to the pre-established standards. The main objective is to find out mistakes so that they may be corrected and prevented. The main objective is to find out the mistake that can be corrected or that can be prevented. Okay. In order to seek planned result from the subordinate, a manager needs to exercise effective control over the activities of subordinate, and thus controlling is at the supervisory level we can see. So first we will see the controlling at the supervisory. First one, the managerial control, and second, the importance of the controlling. These are the content of today's lecture. Understanding team and the links between the various departments in respect of process and quality standard. So what is the managerial control? We will see first. So managerial control is nothing but the forward-looking and backward-looking function. The control is a significant process in management. As I told you, it is very important to control the work or organization's work or activities in a proper manner. The controlling is that part of your management, and controlling is a forward-looking and the backward-looking function, because it is the plan we are providing, and then we are taking the feedback. The work is going as per the plan. That's why it is called as the forward-looking and the backward-looking function. And controlling is the process that ensures The performance is according to the pre-established standards. So controlling this process and ensures the performance according to the pre-established standard means already we have set the standards that the production will be such that in one day we will need output of such quantity and with the quality. So that is nothing but the standard we are established first, and the controlling that our work or our duties or activities are performing as per the standard previously set. The main objective is to find out the objective is to find out mistakes so that they may be corrected and prevented from recurring, any from occurring of the mistakes regularly. You can watch the mistake, you can learn from the mistakes, and then you should avoid that mistake in future. So that is the main objective of the control, and the controlling is that's why it is very important at the managerial or at the supervisory level. In order to seek planned result from the subordinate, a manager needs to exercise effective control over the activities of the subordinate. In order to seek the planned result, you are already planned that we need some, you are already set the target and you have to reach that target. आपने पहले से ही एक टारगेट फिक्स करके लिया रखा है, उसके हिसाब से आपने प्लानिंग भी करके रखा है. अब वो प्लानिंग के हिसाब से आपके जो सब ऑर्डिनर हैं, आपके नीचे जो काम करने वाले लोग हैं, वो बराबर काम कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, दे आर डूइंग देयर exercise effectively, they are doing their work or activities effectively or not. That is nothing but the control over the activities of the subordinates, and that is also the part of the controlling. Thus, controlling is a goal-oriented function. Definitely, because you are set the target first, you are set the goal first. That's why it is a goal-oriented function. It is a primary function of every manager, and it should be. The controlling is the primary function of everyone, because if there is no control over the labor, over the procurement of the material on the time, then there you will not achieve your goal or your target on time, or your work will not flow as per the as per you have done the planning. तो आपने जिस तरह प्लान किया है उसको प्लान करने के लिए कंट्रोलिंग बहुत जरूरी है. कंट्रोलिंग अब डिफरेंट लेवल पे है, आपका प्रोडक्शन लेवल पे भी कंट्रोलिंग है, आपका जो प्रोक्यूरमेंट ऑफ मटेरियल जो आप परचेस करने वाले हैं उसके ऊपर है, आपका मार्केटिंग आप जो सेल करने वाले हैं उसके ऊपर भी है, और आपके वर्कर जो काम करते हैं बराबर प्रोडक्शन नहीं कर रहे हैं या कर रहे हैं, और ऑल द थिंग्स your subordinate are doing the work effectively. All this will come under the controlling, and that's why it is a primary function of the manager, and it is because the target is set and goal is set. That's why it is said to be the goal-oriented function. Someone joining with another name, I will not allow him. Now the controlling function find out an actual performance deviates from the standard, analyze the causes of such deviation, attempt to take corrective action. अब जब controlling है, we are taking the reports continuously, we are taking the feedback continuously. It is a part of, it is the job of the manager. And based on if we found that anything is deviating, यानी deviating means is जो हमने स्टैंडर्ड सेट किया है वो नहीं मीट हो रहा है, या जो रिजल्ट हमको चाहिए अगर 100 पीसेस चाहिए और 90 पीसेस मिल रहा है, तो इट इज डेविएटिंग फ्रॉम द रिजल्ट, फ्रॉम द गोल, फ्रॉम द टारगेट. तो ये जो डेविएशन है वो 10 क्यों कम हुआ, उसका एनालाइज हम करेंगे, उसका कॉजेस मालूम करेंगे क्या है कॉजेस ऑफ डेविएशन, और फिर next time we attempt to take correction action so that deviation will not occur as per the standard. Now the importance of controlling, the importance of controlling is you can see the ensure order and the discipline. So it ensures the order and the discipline at the workplace. Okay. Now facilitates the coordination in each action. So controlling facilitates the coordination in action. In action, controlling helps in improving the performance of the your uh, activities or project. Helps controlling helps in minimizing the errors. Controlling helps the achieving the organizational goal. Controlling helps the judging of the accuracy of standard, and controlling making efficient use of resources. It may be material, it may be manpower, and controlling improving employee motivation also. So that is also the part of controlling, and all this is the nothing but the importance of the controlling. That's why these all necessary points or benefits are under the controlling. So accomplishing the organization goal is one of them. Judging the accuracy of the standard, whatever you have said, making useful usage of resources, and also improving the employee motivation. All this is the important of your controlling. Control is an indispensable function of management. Without control, the best of the plan can go away. तो दैट इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. अगर आप कंट्रोल नहीं करते हो तो आपका प्लान कहीं भी जा सकता है. इसके लिए आपको कंट्रोलिंग ज़रूरी है. ओके, so that's why controlling is very important. A good control system helps an organization in the following ways. It accomplishing the organizational goal. जो गोल हमने सेट किया है वो कंप्लीट होता है, वो फुलफिल होता है. The controlling function measures progress toward the organization goal and brings to light the deviation if any and indicates the corrective action. है ना? It guides the organization and keep it on the right track so that the organization goals might be achieved. तो गोल तो ऑलरेडी हमारा प्लानिंग तो ऑलरेडी पहले हुआ है, गोल्स हमारे सेट हुए हैं. लेकिन अगर हम कंट्रोलिंग नहीं करते हैं, उसके ऊपर वॉच नहीं रखते हैं, हम उसके रिपोर्ट्स नहीं जनरेट करते हैं, हम उसके ऊपर लुक आउट नहीं करते हैं, तो हम बराबर अपने गोल को अचीव नहीं कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर हम ऑल दिस वी आर कंट्रोलिंग द एक्टिविटीज, then you can accomplish your organizational, you can fulfill your organizational goal, and that's why controlling is very important. Then judging the accuracy of the standard, a good control system enables management to verify whether the standards are accurate. Okay, an efficient control system keeps a careful check on the changing taking place in the organization and in the environment. So definitely, if you are taking, definitely the policies are set, but the work is going or the as per the plan, the judging of with the standard is very necessary, and is also the second part of your controlling, or it may be come under the importance of the controlling. Making useful usage of resources means what? कि आपने मटेरियल लाया और जैसे काम चल रहा है वैसे चलने देंगे नहीं, बिकॉज यू टू से check the what is the wastages. You should reduce the wastages. ओके, आप जितना कम वेस्टेज रिड्यूस करेंगे, आपका जो कॉस्ट है, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट कम होगा. कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट कम होगा तो डेफिनेटली मार्केटिंग वालों के लिए आसानी होगा, एंड देन द मोर पीपल दे विल टेक योर प्रोडक्ट एंड सेलिंग विल बी मोर एंड you will get the more benefit. So that is the making the use of resources is also very important, है ना. आप कोई भी मटेरियल खरीदने जाते हो दुकान से या कहीं से, तो आप तीन जगह देखते हो वो क्वालिटी का मटेरियल क्या रेट में. क्यों देखते हो? कि कम से कम रेट में सेम क्वालिटी का मटेरियल मुझको कहाँ मिल रहा है, ताकि विल सेव सम योर अमाउंट. So here, if you are saving the wastages, then you are saving the cost of the end product. So that will be very useful, and that's why you can perform activities according to the determined standards and norms and the use resources in most effective and efficient manner. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप जो स्टैंडर्ड सेट है उसके हिसाब से ही काम करें. You may set your own standard at your uh, because you are the manager, you are the supervisor. You can set your own standard also. The standard are set, but if you are achieving more than that, you can set a new standard for the coming people. Then employee motivation. A good control system is so that employees know well in advance what they are expected to do. It helps employee to give better performance. So that controlling is also uh, motivation is also the part of the controlling, because if there is good control over the system and the employee, they will, you know, that uh, what they will think, what they will do in further step. Then you can make arrangement for that, and it helps the employee also to do a better performance, and that should be done. Then understanding the team by supervisor. So improving employee motivation is also very important, and these are the four important for the controlling we are just now discussed. Now the understanding the team. Understanding the team means uh, you're working always in organization. You are working with the different people. There are different roles. Okay, so that control the activities of team. That when you understand the team, then you know what is your position, what is your role, what is the employees. Their different role, different employees having their different uh, roles. So that understand the team by supervisor is necessary to control the activities of the team. है ना? What happen if certain activities are preceding or succeeding to any activity? So you should say that the succeeding preceding activity will complete before the next activity. So that's why it is interrelated, and related with the person also, related with the material or resources also. Okay, so control activities of team and assign work to the team, train the team members, utilizing the team members effectively, avoid conflict among the team members is nothing but the part of the controlling or at the supervisory level. Now the link between the various departments in respect of the process and the quality standard. In industry, there are various departments such as sales department, production department, service department, maintenance department, purchase department, quality control department. So different departments are there. The supervisor must maintain the coordination between different departments to avoid the machine breakdown, delay in the material receiving, inventory, quality related problem, finished good. All this he has to manage at the supervisory level. So that's why, and also we should ensure that all the work at the different level or different departments it is going smoothly in harmony, and he had overlooked all of the activities during the. Then the supervisor can maintain link to the maintenance department, avoid machine breakdown time, routine machine overhauling, intimate about breakdown. Also the correct quality control department, communicate quality issues, restrict the errors in jobs, store department request the material for production, monitor the quality of material, keep the record, make the inventory. Similarly, marketing department collect the market survey information, communicate available resources to marketing department, provide information of new products. So different departments are there and their role are different. एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट रोल, अब जैसे ही आपका मशीन का ब्रेकडाउन जो टाइम है उसी टाइम में आपने मशीन का रिपेयर कर लेना चाहिए. जैसे कि लंच टाइम में मशीन बंद करके अगर लेबर गए तो उस टाइम में आपका मेंटेनेंस का वर्क कंप्लीट हो जाए. इसी तरह आपका कोई प्रोडक्ट है, क्वालिटी कंट्रोल वाले प्रोडक्ट but continuously they are taking the samples from the your output, and then they checking the quality. And before the in the purchase department store, you are uh, such material you can store that next order will they will come, you can able to fulfill, and the material are available on raw material are available in your store. Then marketing department collect the market survey information, communicate available resources to marketing department, provide information of new product. All this the work of the marketing department. Human resources department, human resources department, they are nothing but all the work related to the employee, request side of human requirement, provide employee information, communicate HR related issues, resolve issues regarding human resources. So all this related to the employees is nothing but the coming into the HR manager. Then design and development of department. So designing of the product, which type of product you have to make, to provide the information about the available resources on the shop floor, coordinate design related issues, train the employee for new development of the product. So all is the work of the design and development department. Also, the sales and service department fulfill the customer's requirement, communicate available resources, availability of the material can be seen. All this stuff, you can see the cycle is marketing, sales, and the service, maintenance, etc. Which is the link between various department, and the link should be coordinated properly, and that is nothing but the control under the supervisor. तो दैट्स वाई आप जब आप देखते हैं कि हम कोई भी आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वर्क करते हैं तो डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट होता है। साइट पर आप जाएंगे तो डिफरेंट वर्कर होते हैं डिफरेंट काम के लिए, सब एक जैसे नहीं होते। हम सिविल इंजीनियर हैं, अगर हम ब्रिजेस पे काम करेंगे तो ब्रिजेस पे आपका शटरिंग के जो फॉर्म वर्क है वो अलग होते हैं। अब बिल्डिंग में काम करें, बिल्डिंग में शटरिंग के फॉर्म वर्क होते हैं अलग होते हैं। वहाँ पर जो कारपेंटर है वो अलग होगा, है ना। मशीनरीज आप जो यूज़ करते हैं, हेवी मशीनरी वी आर यूजिंग इन द ब्रिजेस बट नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इन द building side. It is a small, large or big structure is there, then you will require. And then different material requirements are there, different position of work are there. Store manager will be there, site safety manager will be there, safety department you can say, HR department you can say, site engineer and site development department you will. Design where the drawing and planning is done, that is design and development department. So each and every project having all the things, all these are interrelated. Okay, sales और परचेसिंग में आप कॉन्क्रीट रेडी मिक्स प्लांट से आप ले रहे हो, है ना। साइट की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो मटेरियल सीमेंट आप पहले से ऑर्डर करके रखते हो, सैंड एग्रीगेट आप पहले से प्रोक्योर करके रखते हो। फिर जैसे जैसे आपका काम खत्म होता है, नेक्स्ट स्टेप के लिए क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है आप प्रिपेयर करके रखते हो। वाटर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, उसके लिए अरेंजमेंट करके रखते हो। So there are different activities and different person related to the one project, है ना, या one factory you can say, या one organization you can say. Okay, so this is nothing but all the department when they will work in coordination with the control of the manager or if the control of supervisor is very good, and he will handle all the situation properly, and then that will help or to achieve the goal within the specified limiting time, and you can control the planning also, and your work will flow as per the planning if your control over the each and every department is very good. So that is nothing but this is the principle of directing and controlling at the supervisory level. This unit we are learning, it is very helpful. आप जब फील्ड पर काम करोगे तो आपको ये सब जो नॉलेज है, आपको जो मैनेजमेंट आपको पढ़ाया जा रहा है, ये यूजफुल वो वहाँ पर आपको काम में आएगा। इसलिए दिस सब्जेक्ट्स आर इंट्रोड्यूस। आप फील्ड में काम करो, आप कोई इंस्टीट्यूट में काम करो, आप कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करो, आप कोई फैक्ट्री इंडस्ट्री में काम करो, सब जगह आपके मैनेजमेंट के जो प्रिंसिपल है वो कहीं नहीं कहीं आपको इस्तेमाल होते हैं। यूज में आते हैं। तो इसके लिए आपने इसके ऊपर खूब सारी मेहनत करना चाहिए। ओके, अब आज आज जो हम लोग टुडे आप आई विल गिव यू सम असाइनमेंट। तो असाइनमेंट क्या रहेगा कि आई विल गिव यू द you have to do the macro project work uh, in a week. Macro project work in a week. Uh, you have to search. You have to search different types of organization. ये सर्च करना है. It may be related to the your construction activity. It may be related to the uh, construction work at site. Any project. Or you can search about the any precast industry, or you can search any pre-stressed precast industry. Any project, any bridge projects, or you can select some dock and harbor work. Also, use of civil engineering in defense activity. Also, the project related to infrastructure development. It may be related to the transportation. It may be related to the dams and hydraulics. It may be the irrigation system. So based on any topic, you have to uh, prepare model of industry or industry. You can prepare a chart, on the different management levels, or you have to prepare, you have to make presentation on any of above topic related to all these are related with the all the activity related to the subject management only. Whatever we have studied till now, we have studied so about the management, then we have studied about the levels of management, then we have studied the directing and supervisory level, also the safety norms, or safety standard standards or different acts and rules. All this generally related with the your uh, so you have to do the macro project work related to uh, your subject management, and it is considered in the your uh, uh, term of assessment, that is progressive assessment. So you have to write assignment based on the theory, or you can uh, prepare a project report, prepare a download information about various industry act, various various industrial act and rules. Also the visit to visit to तो कहीं भी आप visit करके you can go there and visit, and then you can prepare a prepare a prepare a model, prepare a seminar report, prepare a organization structure, structure the chart of different management levels in organization, make a presentation of any topic and present your work. Okay, so this is the activity you have to do uh, in a week, and you have to submit your activity on this. So it is given in your syllabus copy also. That is study of management principle applied to small scale industry. Okay, for different macro projects, and it may be related with the management. All activity related with the management. जैसे कि for example uh, for example maybe study of management principle, study of management principles applied to local industry at small scale. Similarly, study of management principles applied to medium scale industry or on organization. Similarly, study of management principle applied to large scale industry or organization. Also prepare a case study on safety measures to be followed at workplaces in different industry. Also study of measures to be taken for ensuring for ensuring cyber security. Nowadays very uh, is very and this should you can perform in a group of 3 students, not more than that. This activity should not be more than 16 hours, and you have to submit the macro projects. Uh, Next submission will be the submission will be online next Saturday. Okay? Next Saturday, I will share you Saturday. I will share you next Saturday. That is 12th June 2021. In this week, you have to complete the macro project. This is nothing but all about your activity related to the macro project. So these macro projects can be any industry based on your uh, sorry, based on the topic given in this. This is for the macro projects, and submission will be. And this above all is the activity. It's not manual. It is the activity will do at your level and submit it to the next Saturday. Okay? So आप सबको क्या करना है माइक्रो प्रोजेक्ट में और एक्टिविटी में आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. So that you should do, and you can submit in next class. And today we will stop here and have another class from 12:05.